All right, Graham, I got another question here for you.
Let's go. You've got some interesting ones today, hey?
Oh yes, not from me, from the people watching your videos.
All right.
All right, so this one is, why do some realtors downplay buying a house that has poly piping?
Well, quite simply, this kind of goes back to the video we've made recently about our message to realtors. A lot of realtors just don't know. They're not educated in plumbing matters, or if they are, they just want to turn a blind eye. At the end of the day, a realtor that downplays the issues with polybutylene is relatable to the 90s car salesman, that anything they want to do or tell you is just about selling a home. At the end of the day, a realtor has an obligation to look out for their clients in their client's best interest. And any realtor that's saying that poly B isn't a big issue or they've never seen issues with this is full on lying, or they just don't know. And if that was my realtor, I would probably be running for the hills on this one. There's plenty of information out there that you can read. Just a quick Google search on poly B, polybutylene, should I buy a home with poly B, will let you know. So, you know, if your realtor is telling you, oh, it's no big deal, or if I've never seen this happen, don't worry. I'd be worried. I'd be extremely worried. You need to get these pipes replaced. It's not an if, it's a when. They will burst. You will have issues getting home insurance. So let's just stick together on this. Any realtor that downplays this issue isn't worth their salt as a realtor. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks, guys.